A very happy morning to my cute little children. So children, today we are going to start with our chapter soil, and the topics included in this chapter are types of soil, soil erosion, conservation of soil. Okay, so are you ready? Yes, I know. So let's start. So come on, let's start with soil. Children, soil is a very valuable natural resource for us. Okay, many plants grow in soil. Okay, and many animals live, like rabbits, earthworm, ants. All they live in. All these animals live in soil. But have you ever wondered that how soil is formed? Soil बनता कैसे है? क्या आपने कभी ये सोचा? कैसे? चलो, now we will see how soil is formed. See, they are big pieces of rocks. Now what is happening? Due to water, crack is coming. Then let's see, due to sun, crack is coming. Due to rain, what happened? The rocks break down into small pieces, है ना? पहले रॉक जो थे बहुत बड़े थे, and afterwards due to the heat of sun, due to raining and due to wind, what happened? The rocks got converted into small particles, and then this small particle got mixed with organic matter of plants and animals, and this is how we get soil. This is how soil is formed. Now, how can we define soil? The uppermost layer of the earth, which contains minerals, air, water, organic matter, is known as soil. Soil contains gravel, clay particles and sand particles. Now children, we will be studying types of soil. As you can see, there are mainly 3 types of soil, and they are different in their texture. As you can see, they are different in their color, they are different in their constituents, and it depends on from which rock these soils are formed. Now we will be studying them one by one. Mainly there are 3 types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. Okay? Now we will study their properties.
Sandy soil. It mainly contains sand. It is found in desert and on seashore. It is yellow or light brown in color. It cannot hold much water, as water passes through its particles easily. It is mixed with cement and used for making buildings.
So children, we studied sandy soil. What we studied in sandy soil is its water holding capacity is not good. Okay, so very less trees are able to grow here. Only those trees which are adapted to grow in desert regions can grow here. Second thing is that it is used in making of cement. Okay, like this. Now we will be seeing the second type of soil.
Clay soil. It mainly contains clay. It is found in ponds and riverbeds. It can hold a lot of water, as water does not pass through its particles easily. It is used for making pots, toys and kacha house.
Now we studied clay soil. Clay soil has a very good water holding capacity. It means that water cannot pass from the clay soil, and that is why children, clay soil is used in making of pots. Okay, and it is found near riverbed and pond. Now we will see the third type of soil, that is loamy soil.
Loamy soil. It contains sand and clay. Can hold enough air and water. Is used for growing plants. So,
Loamy soil is best for growing plants as it contains clay as well as sand, and it also contains a very good amount of humus, children. So, we studied the three types of soil: loamy, clayey and sandy soil, and loamy soil is best for growing plants. Now our next topic is, now we are going to study soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Let's see. See children, this is the topmost portion of our earth, and the topmost layer is known as topsoil, and this topsoil is very rich in humus. Okay, it is very good for growing plants. Now children, what happens is, as you can see, this is dark in color because it is rich in humus. Now see, wind is blowing. When the wind is blowing, what happens is, this clay soil, this topsoil also goes away because of wind. When the wind blows, this topsoil also blows away with the wind. Let's see next what happens. Strong winds. Second is running water. When the rain comes, okay, because of this running water, what happens is, this running water carries away the topsoil also with it. So what is happening here? The topsoil is getting removed by wind, by running water. So children, this is known as soil erosion. By running water, by wind, the topsoil gets removed. It is known as soil erosion, and it is very bad. It is disadvantageous for human beings. Why? Because agriculture can be done only on topsoil, and if topsoil is not present, it is very difficult for the farmers to grow vegetables and do farming. Now we will study causes of soil erosion. Okay, you know what are the causes of soil erosion. The first one is strong wind, second heavy rain, third deforestation. बाकी दो तो हम पढ़ चुके थे, but how deforestation does soil erosion? Why? Just think, थोड़ी देर सोचो और मुझे बताओ कि deforestation से soil erosion कैसे हो सकता है. See children, here there is a tree, okay, so what is here? Here there are roots, and what does these roots do? ये जो roots होती है वो soil को पकड़ के रखती है. These roots hold the soil, okay, these roots hold the soil. So when rain comes, when wind blows, what happens is, the soil does not go away because trees are present here. And if there are many trees, for example, here there was a tree, if here there was a tree, okay, here there is a tree, what will happen if the wind will blow also, but as trees are present here, the soil will remain protected. अगर बहुत सारे ट्रीज होंगे, भले ज़ोर से हवा आ रही है, बट सॉइल जो है वो हमारा प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगा, तो सॉइल उड़ के नहीं जाएगा. इफ देयर आर मैनी ट्रीज, व्हाट विल हैपन? द विंड विल ब्लो, बट द सॉइल विल रिमेन प्रोटेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रीज. सो ट्रीज हेल्प्स इन कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सॉइल. So we should not cut trees unnecessarily. Let's see what's next. Overgrazing, children. Overgrazing also does soil erosion, because when the cattle are grazing, what are they doing? They are eating the plants and trees, and plants and trees helps in conservation of soil. Now we studied causes of soil erosion. Now we will be studying how can we conserve our soil, which is a very valuable natural resource for us. Very simple. The first point is planting of trees, because trees helps in conservation of soil. Second point, we should grow different types of crops in the same field to maintain the fertility of soil. This is called crop rotation. If we are growing only one type of crop in a soil, what happens is, children, that soil will have deficiency of a particular mineral which is needed by that particular crop. So we should have crop rotation. It means that for 3 months you can grow wheat, after 3 months you can grow sugarcane, so on. You should have rotation of crops in a given soil. We should not grow only one type of crop. Third is, fields, trees or grass should be planted to prevent soil erosion because roots of tree hold the soil tightly. अगर हमारे पास बहुत बड़ी फील्ड हो तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? देखो, हमें प्लांट्स उगाने चाहिए. I have shown you, because the roots hold the soil firmly. If the roots are holding the soil properly, the soil will not move away with rain. Grazing of animals should not be allowed for a long time, because these plants helps in conservation of soil. Okay kids, so for today this was it. And what is your homework for today? You will be completing your notes. I am attaching the PDF with this file. Here it is. Okay. Chapter 6, Soil, Class 4. Here are your question answers. This you have to do in your notebook. Okay. So for today this was it. Study well. May God bless you.